Hello. In this video series, we're going to make a stock analyzing tool, and it's going to contain three tabs. The first one will be the pricing information, the second tab will be the fundamental information, and the last tab will be the latest valuations. First, we will see the graph. We can specify the ticker and the dates, the start date and the end date. Here we'll have the data frame of the prices, we'll have the cumulative returns, we have the percentage change, the daily change, volume, adjusted close, low, high and open, and the date. And here we have an expected annual return, standard deviation and a risk reward. In the second tab we will have the fundamental information, which will contain the yearly balance sheet, the quarterly balance sheet, the cash flow of the yearly and the quarterly, and the income statement of the yearly and the quarterly. And in the last tab we'll have the valuations, and we have here the period, date, symbol Microsoft, the enterprise value EBITDA ratio, the enterprise value revenue ratio, the forward price to earnings ratio, the market cap, the price to book ratio, the price to earnings ratio, the PAG ratio, and the price to sales ratio.